I'm Katie at Lucky Louie's, and we are outside next to our bubble tents. I'm going to show you how to make a booty call. So the booty call is a sub bun, Smith's natural casing wiener, pickles, coleslaw, pulled pork, mayonnaise, and BBQ sauce. If it's not touching the grill, it's not cooking. Wow, that was weird. Eat that. Oh, gotta heat the meat. Our pulled pork has our own special taste rub to it that may or may not belong in one other ingredient here on the menu. I'll never tell. Make a booty call real quick. Pickles, coleslaw, and our pork on the booty call. And then we finish this with mayonnaise. Oh, excuse you. And barbecue. And you can have one of these great booty calls either at Lucky Louie's at 8238 Perry Highway or in the summer of 2021 at the Flagship City Food Hall.